This is the biggest content creation hack for YouTube that real estate agents are not using. We as real estate agents are making YouTube way too complicated when it doesn't need to be. Because at this point in time, if you want to grow your real estate business in a serious way, you have to be on YouTube. And that is creating content that answers questions that you're getting daily. Yes, that's the content creation hack, creating videos that answer questions that you're getting. And I know that sounds incredibly simple because guess what? It is. However, if you're one of those agents that just rolled your eyes because you didn't find enough value in that statement, I want to challenge you. Go to your YouTube channel right now and point out videos that are answering questions that you're getting daily. Seriously, I want to challenge you. Go to your YouTube channel right now. I'll wait. You back yet? Okay, yes, I may be having a little bit of fun at your expense, but the point still remains. Let's get videos out there that are answering the questions that you're getting on the daily. And if you're struggling for ideas, simply go to your email inbox and see all of the questions that you're getting from leads and your current clients. And do the same thing with your phone. Go down your text messages, read through them, and see what questions you're getting. Because you're probably being asked, is now the right time to buy? Will the interest rates rise or fall? How do I narrow down home searches? And what are property taxes? And those are just a few examples. I know for a fact that you can think of hundreds of other questions to answer. So start answering those questions via video, and pretty soon you're gonna have an enormous video library that's gonna help your clients. But here's the super benefit. Not only are you addressing your current questions, your current needs, your current clients, but you're also addressing the general public because you're putting these videos out on YouTube. So the general public is watching your content and they're going to reach out to you and very soon become clients. So this becomes a real estate lead generation strategy like no other.